The automatic clearance adjustment function for the Supermusculoider is top of the line among the many new technologies developed with passion by Masako Sangyo. Through our consistent pursuit of increasing user-friendliness and the desire to free users from the troublesome clearance adjustments when machines are in operation, we are now able to produce consistent results. That is, the Smart Meister. As the name suggests, this is an excellent tool for automating various operations performed by the Supermusculoider. For instance, up until now, adjusting the clearance and rotation speed without experience was difficult, but now an electronic eye can do it in your place. Smart sensors constantly monitor operating conditions, keeping the temperature and the particle size of the product constant. A total of 24 operation patterns can be registered, so there is no need to adjust settings each time. This allows for an increase in efficiency even in a high-mix, low-volume production. The larger the machine, the more skills are necessary for clearance adjustments, especially for inline plant equipment, where controlling the level of the front and rear device is crucial. In this case, the automatic adjustment function is indispensable. The Smart Meister supports IoT, and its functions will certainly be essential for improving productivity in the future.